Oh, taste and see.
Glory to Jesus Christ. My name is Father Volodymyr Zablotsky, and today we're gonna try something suggested to us by our readers. One of our videos where we showed how to make butter received a large number of comments, and some of you suggested that by adding salt right into the cream when making butter will eliminate the need to try to mix in the salt when the butter is ready, which is kind of difficult to do. But my logic for adding salt into the finished butter was that if we add right into the cream, it will dissolve in water and then will be discarded with the buttermilk, and therefore not salting the butter itself. But some comments suggested that perhaps I'm wrong. So the only way to find out is to try it. So today we have just plain heavy whipping cream. We're gonna add a quart of whipping cream into the mixing bowl, and normally we don't add this much salt into the butter, but I have about 2 tablespoons of salt, kosher salt, and we're gonna put it right into the cream before we even turn the mixer. And now we'll find out whether our viewers are right or my theory stands. So this is gonna make a little bit of noise for us to whip it. So we're going to just let it go, and we'll come to see the results in about a few minutes. So our cream was whipping for about 5 minutes, maybe 6 minutes, and I just want to taste the cream and see whether it's salty at all. I'm sure it's salty because all the salt right now is dissolved. So it's pretty salty. It's not, you would think that 2 tablespoons will make it really salty. It's salty, but we'll see how it happens when the butter is made. Okay, our butter is ready. It just came together. It takes about 15 to 20 minutes depending on how cold the cream was. Now I'm gonna separate this from the buttermilk. If you can shoot, just so we can see, there's in the bottom, there's all of that is buttermilk. My guess is that all the salt is in the buttermilk and very little of it is in the butter, but we'll try in a few minutes. Okay, our butter is ready, and now it's time to see if there was a difference. So the butter is here. I saved the buttermilk just in case. So I'm gonna just taste a little bit of this butter. It needs salt. You really need to add salt right now if you like your butter a little bit on the salty side. So that 2 tablespoons of salt that we added into the butter cream, into the heavy cream before whipping it, really didn't do anything, because my guess is that most, if not all, of the salt ended up in this buttermilk. And I'm gonna just, for to prove my point, taste it and see how this buttermilk, I'm guessing it's just extremely salty. Ooh, it's more salty than the ocean water. It's really not tasty at all. So all of that water, all of that salt rather, ended up dissolving in the water, which is a big part of this buttermilk. So the verdict is in, and I think it's much wiser to add salt into the finished product. It's a little bit difficult to do, but you can salt it and work it in into your butter. So there it is, the problem solved. I hope to see you next episode, and Happy New Year to everyone, and may God bless you in the upcoming year.